Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cabinet table saw that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Fox W1819 3 HP 10-inch table saw. This Fox W1819 is another excellent choice for hobbyists and carpenters who have a more expansive budget. It is a 10-inch table saw designed for making smooth and clean cuts without kickbacks. Like our first choice, this cabinet table saw is also very secure. When we tested the table saw's features, it delivered beyond our expectations. The cabinet table saw is designed with a strong riving knife and splitter that helps to keep the cut sections and workpiece separate. The effect is smooth cuts with no risk of kickbacks. Furthermore, the system features a 4-inch dust collection slot that evacuates most of the dust so that it does not contaminate the workpiece or clog the moving parts. And now to our favorite feature of the cabinet table saw, the miter fence. The table saw's miter fence is designed with a flip stop for high precision or angle cuts of up to 45 degrees. And if you are making repetitive or complicated cuts, you can camlock the fence for greater stability. Moving on at number 4, we have the Jet 708675 Pkxactasaw cabinet table saw. When you mention the name Jet to carpenters, most of them will give it thumbs up because of an unmatched commitment to quality and customer value. This unwavering commitment to quality is evident in this Jet 708675 Pkxactasaw cabinet table saw, which has become very popular in most workshops. The table saw's working area and trunnion are made using cast iron that makes it heavy, stable, and vibration-free when cutting wood. Besides, it has a large 29x4 2-inch working space that allows plenty of room for maneuvering big workpieces. When working with table saws, Jet engineers knew that you need to be able to make adjustments fast. Therefore, they designed the table saw with easy-to-use handwheel control for adjusting the blade height and the bevel. Once you select the preferred cutting height, use the center locking pins to fix it there for repetitive cuts. At number 3, we have the Powermatic 1792001 kpm 2000 cabinet table saw. This 1792001 kpm 2000 is an award-winning rig designed after years of research by Powermatic. The table saw features a single-phase, 3 HP motor, and other innovative features that make it possible to cut both dry and green wood with ease. The saw comes with a locking miter gauge and precision fence that allow you to easily dial the exact angles of bevel cuts for finishing works. You will also like the table saw's set and forget design that allows you to lock the cut line or angle for multiple cuts. But what we liked most about this cabinet table saw is the trunnion system. Although Powermatic has made a name for its outstanding trunnion mechanisms, further refinements were made in this table saw to enhance its efficiency. With its box-style cast iron trunnion design, you can promptly adjust the blade angle and height for different cuts. At number 2, we have the Powermatic 1792010 kpm 2000 cabinet table saw. Next in our list is this Powermatic 1792010 kpm 2000 cabinet table saw that is designed for industrial-grade cutting work. Weighing close to 700 pounds and rocking a 5 HP motor, this cabinet table is an unbeatable beast that will rip anything that comes close to its blade with ease. So, if you have a lot of thick hardwood or tough boards to cut in your commercial facility, this is one of the best machines for you. 700 pounds is really heavy for a table saw, right? But from a positive side, it helps to make the cabinet table saw strong and firm. Also, it absorbs most vibrations for a smooth cutting experience. For a heavy-duty cutting rig like this cabinet table saw, you should expect to generate a lot of dust. If not managed well, the dust can clog the moving parts of the table saw and accelerate wear. To address this, the cabinet table saw comes with an inbuilt dust collection port that directs all the debris away. And finally at number 1, we have the DeWalt DWE7491RS cabinet table saw. If you have a lot of interior, exterior trim work to do on site, a powerful cabinet table saw such as this DeWalt DWE7491RS that can be easily moved around will come in handy. The table saw is designed with state-of-the-art features that make it easy to move and complete your on-site work fast. What we found most interesting about this table saw is reliability. It operates on a 15 amp motor that allows you to work on most workpieces whether at your workshop or on site. We also like the large rolling stand that makes it easy to set up the rig and start cutting wood without wasting time. Weighing 90 pounds, this table saw is pretty light and compact in comparison with others in this list that are up to 7 times heavier. It also comes with pneumatic wheels that easily roll on most surfaces so that you can move the machine to where the workpieces are. We found this very convenient, especially for contractors or hobbyists who need to regularly move from one site to another.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.